Hello friends, welcome back to Style My Sweets. My name is Rebecca, and in this video I'm sharing some Dollar Tree DIYs and ideas for Christmas home decor and a beautiful Christmas dining tablescape and table setting. I would also like to thank TopCashback for sponsoring this video. So before we get to setting our tablescape, I want to finish decorating the dining room. I have this wreath that is just a plain green wreath. I think I picked it up on clearance last year or the year before. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do with it, but I'm starting out by adding a pack of battery-operated twinkle lights. And this is just perfect so that there won't be any visible wires. Plus, they have a remote control and a timer setting, so that is super convenient as well. I considered adding some ribbon or ornaments into this wreath, but ultimately I came back with several Dollar Tree floral picks. I have 3 or 4 of the red berry picks, a couple picks of these frosted greenery, and then a couple more silver glitter picks. And I just stuck all of them into the wreath. And this DIY Christmas wreath took, honestly, not much more than 5 or 10 minutes to make, and I think it turned out absolutely stunning. You can totally customize whatever you want to add into it to match whatever other decor that you have. Dollar Tree has quite a few options, whether you're looking for red, white, green, gold or silver, whichever metallic is the one that you're using. They even have some that's more of a champagne color. If your metallic is more in between the gold and the silver, lots of options with this. Especially because this is the garland that I want to coordinate with, so it's pretty simple, and I basically want to make my wreath kind of match and coordinate with what I'm going to be doing on the table. Before we set the table now, I'm going to go ahead and dust the chandelier. It's been a while since I did that, and I want to wipe down the table thoroughly so that everything is nice and clean, and then we're going to be ready to set our Christmas tablescape here. I also found these little wooden snowflakes, and I'm going to hang about half of them with some clear fishing line from the chandelier all the way around, staggering them at different heights. I think this looks very whimsical and just kind of magical touch. I like how this looks, and I'm going to take some of them and stick them in my Christmas tree here in the dining room and save the rest of them for later on in this video. I have the cutest little idea for these wooden snowflakes, so I will get to that in just a minute. But so many of the pieces that you are about to see for this Christmas table setting actually came from Dollar Tree. In fact, everything I used today, I actually ordered online using TopCashback to get cash back on all of my purchases. It's quick, easy, and free to sign up using just your name and email address, and then you just type in the store that you want to shop at, for example, Dollar Tree, click on the store, and then TopCashback will redirect you right to Dollar Tree's website, and now you're getting cash back on your purchase as easy as that. TopCashback works with over 4,000 retailers as well, including Amazon, Walmart, Dollar General, Michaels, Lowe's, and so many more. They offer 100% of the commission back to their members as well, and consistently feature higher rates than their competitors. And there's no minimum to get a payout. You guys know that I have recommended TopCashback to you before, especially now as we go into the holiday season. It's a fantastic way to get cash back, especially on purchases that you planned to make anyway. I have gotten literally hundreds of dollars back over the last couple of years, so I think it is definitely worthwhile. I like finding good deals and new finds on Dollar Tree's website, like these snowflake plates. I never saw these in a Dollar Tree store near me, but I was able to easily order all that I needed online, plus I got cash back on my purchase by going through TopCashback's website. Dollar Tree also has a smaller quantities category over on their site as well, where you can purchase items in smaller quantities, as the name implies. things for DIY projects, party supplies, home decor, home organization. Use my link below to sign up for free and get a $10 Top Cashback sign up bonus once you spend $25, plus you'll be earning cash back on all your online purchases. Again, use the link below and get a $10 Top Cashback sign up bonus and start earning cash back, especially now as we go into the holiday season. It's a fantastic way to get cash back on purchases you plan to make anyway. For this DIY, I took a bowl from Dollar Tree along with one of these candle holders, and I just hot glued them together and then painted the entire thing with some white chalk paint. And then once it was dry, I came back and wrapped some of this little berry garland from Dollar Tree around my candle holder here, and I think this turned out really cute. I love using my timer, LED timer candles for this, and they just go on every day at the same time. You do have to obviously set them the first time, so I'm turning them on now, and then they'll go on for 6 hours and then off for the following 18 hours. This is just so cute. I love how these look. They have such a rustic little touch to them. These candle holders and the little red berries are just super cute. So today for our tablescape, I'm layering some red charger plates. I got these in Dollar Tree, and using some gorgeous snowflake dinner plates, also from Dollar Tree. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love these plates. I just saw them and immediately fell in love with them. I can't believe they're just $1 a piece, and I was so thankful to be able to go online and order them. So definitely check out the website if there's something you're looking to get and you can't find it in your store, and it's very easy and convenient to order a box of plates and kind of get your whole set that way. They even have glassware that has the same snowflake pattern to match the plates, although personally I ended up deciding to order just a plain set of glassware just because I want it to be more versatile throughout the seasons. Dollar Tree also has these beautiful water goblets, which I've had for years now. Love these. They are a fantastic deal. But to be honest, sometimes they're a little bit difficult for children to hold just because they are kind of tall with the stem on there, and it's just a little awkward for their hands. So for Christmas, I decided I'm actually gonna get a whole set of these stemless version. So I would love if you guys could let me know which way you like this styled better. This Dollar Tree plate with the Dollar Tree charger, and I can just place my napkins right on top of there. I think that the white and silver is a beautiful background for the napkin. Or I could add a salad plate, and I was thinking of adding a salad plate. I just don't know how we feel about this one. This one is by Hearth and Hand. It is a really beautiful plate. I'm just not sure if I want the red here or if I would be better off going with maybe a simple white plate or a green, because that is another option. I could layer a green one in here. So once I go to add my napkin on top, here's how it looks. What are your thoughts? Do you like this deep burgundy red salad plate under here with my napkin, or do you like it better without? Let me know your thoughts. Now I found these napkins and I just love how well they match the table runner. So beautiful, which of course I'm going to do my best to link everything I can that wasn't a Dollar Tree item. I'll do my best to try to link it for you as long as they're still available. These pretty silver napkin rings come 6 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Again, I think this is just a fantastic deal, and they look beautiful by themselves or with a little wooden snowflake glued on the top. How cute is this? You could use a little glue dot on there, and that makes them able to remove and then reuse later. The snowflakes and the napkin rings, you can reuse and repurpose them in the future, or you could actually just tuck the little end of the ornament in through the napkin ring, and now each person basically gets their own little snowflake ornament to take home. I think this is the cutest little idea. It's just such a cute, sweet little touch, and very classy and very simple to do. Again, I hope that you will consider checking out TopCashback if you do any online shopping, and if you use my link below, you can get that extra $10 sign up bonus as well. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.